Welcome to Real Wellness, our new weekly show sponsored by Life Extension. This whole month we've been showing you segments, and coming up this week is Health Watch Forever Chemicals. Well, we got something else to worry about. Forever Chemicals. Stick around. So, Dr. Crystal, Forever Chemicals, are you worried?
A little bit.
I
am making adjustments to several things that I have in my home and my cookware and things like that, because the mounting evidence is showing that they are potentially problematic.
Yeah, and so what are Forever Chemicals? You know, these are plastics and stuff like that just at the end of the day, they're hardy. They don't. It takes a long time for them to break down, and they are in our environment. They're going to stay in our environment well within many lifespans, and you know we're finding them in our bodies.
Yes, well, we're exposed to them. And what makes Forever Chemicals, let's just go back, because they're used, were created, these synthetic chemicals, because the strong bonds make them heat resistant, oil resistant, water resistant. So now we're thinking about the coating on your cookware. You think about the inner lining of food packages that you just want to be kind of water resistant, right?
Like nonstick packaging stuff.
Nonstick packaging. Think about popcorn.
Microwave popcorn. That's
one
inner
of the
lining.
worst.
That is a Forever Chemical.
Yeah, but even your clothing. I bought my son a house coat. He made his first Amazon purchase this weekend. And it was the one that he wanted, and I just didn't intervene, but it arrived, and the label said flame retardant, and I'm fireproof. and that is, they're using forever chemicals with that. It's in your carpeting. It's everywhere. And the idea that these chemicals are not going to biodegrade is a problem for the environment as well as for humans.
So why? So you know what's going on? Why are we worried about them so much? Some people might say, okay, so what? There's some plastic or there's some of this stuff sitting there. What does it really mean? Well, there are studies coming out showing that they can affect everything from thyroid, liver, your immune system, reproductive development. Yeah. I mean, these do have an effect on the human body. A lot of research looking at them in the same way, you study, estrogens in the environment or different types of hormones in the environment. They have an effect like that in the human body, and it is very concerning.
Yeah, especially the developmental effects that we're seeing. And so it's to me, we do know high degree of certainty, and I made sure I put this in here, with these Forever Chemicals, also known as PFAS. That's a great example. Low birth weight rate, impaired vaccine response, even altered triglyceride levels. And these are the areas of research where there's the high degree of certainty. Yeah. Now, there are other areas that we're seeing the association, and we have a big list here, from everything from cancer to liver damage to
osteoporosis,
non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. I mean, you
kidney
name
disease.
it.
I mean, it's all over the place.
And the association doesn't equate to causation, but we are keeping an eye on them.
For sure.
And if you can limit them, I think it's a good, healthy start.
Okay. So, Dr. Crystal, help us out. You've already started in your home. I haven't. How do I reduce my exposure?
So first thing, get rid of the non-stick cookware.
Without non-stick, I'm a bad cook.
Well, then you need to invest in some cooking classes and some good healthy oils like avocado oil or olive oil. Of course, the microwave popcorn, a carbon block filter will remove those PFAS from your water.
I have bad news for you.
Clean water.
I have bad news for you.
That's all good news.
Replace carpet.
Oh.
And you have to go with wood or ceramic floors because you told me.
I know.
You got to get rid of it.
I know.
Come on now, you got to make this step. You're going to love this one, though. Fiber intake. What helps to get rid of that stuff.
Get rid of it, yes.
And there's even an LDL cholesterol lowering drug, cholestyramine, that also may be helpful for people that may have really high levels in their body. So there are some things you can do.
Yep, and then nutritionally, curcumin has been shown to be helpful.
Love it.
Love it. Glutathione, that's helping with detox. These are just nutrients that can help to get those PFAS out of the body.
Yeah, you can do NAC too for glutathione as well if you can't find glutathione.
So if you want to learn more, head to lifeextension.com/truehealth to check out a blood test that evaluates epigenetic biomarkers that has a toxin section that gives us an idea if there are PFAS that are impacting your DNA expression. Again, that's at lifeextension.com/truehealth. And if you want to take advantage of that or anything else, use the discount code wellness to receive $10 off $50 or more, plus free shipping and handling. Again, that's all at lifeextension.com/truehealth. We hope you enjoyed our Health Watch segment for our new show, Real Wellness. We'll see you again next week. I'm Dr. Crystal.
And I'm Dr. Mike.
Thanks for watching.